Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hand mixers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Ovente 5-speed electric hand mixer. Coming in at an unbeatable price of just $12.99, this is the ultimate budget option for anyone who wants a reliable mixer without breaking the bank. Despite its low cost, it packs a lot of punch with a 150-watt motor and 5 adjustable speeds, allowing you to tackle everything from light whisking to more demanding tasks like mixing batter or whipping cream. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and maneuver, even for extended periods. The snap-on storage case is a thoughtful addition that keeps the beaters and cord neatly organized. However, the build quality, while decent for the price, feels less robust compared to higher-end models. Performance-wise, the Ovente handles light to medium-duty tasks well, but struggles slightly with heavier mixes like thick cookie dough. This mixer is perfect for occasional bakers or those on a tight budget. The easy-to-use controls and dishwasher-safe beaters make cleanup a breeze. While it lacks some advanced features and power, it's hard to beat for the price. If you're just starting out in the kitchen or need a secondary mixer for lighter tasks, this is a great choice. Pros include affordability and portability, while the cons are limited power and a less durable build. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer, priced at $23.93. This mixer strikes a good balance between affordability and performance, offering a 250-watt motor and 6 speed options, plus a quick burst button for an extra boost when needed. Whether you're whipping cream, mixing cookie dough, or preparing cake batter, this mixer can handle most everyday tasks with ease. The snap-on storage case is a standout feature, ensuring you'll never lose your attachments. The traditional beaters and whisk are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. Additionally, the bowl rest feature is a nice touch. It stabilizes the mixer on the edge of your bowl, minimizing mess on your countertop. The build quality is solid for the price, though the plastic casing may not feel as premium as some higher-end models. This mixer is ideal for home bakers who want a reliable tool without spending too much. It's powerful enough for most recipes, though it might struggle with very dense doughs. Pros include the storage case, multiple speed options, and good overall performance, while cons include a slightly bulkier design and less power compared to premium models. Taking the number 3 spot is the Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. This mixer is a step up in terms of versatility and performance, offering 9 speeds and a 220-watt motor for smooth, consistent mixing results. The Smooth Start feature, which prevents splattering by starting at a lower speed, is a game-changer for those who want a cleaner baking experience. The brushed chrome design gives it a sleek, professional look, and the included storage case is sturdy and practical. The package comes with a wide range of attachments, including beaters, dough hooks, a chef's whisk, and even a spatula. This makes it a great choice for bakers who like to experiment with different recipes. However, at just over 4 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some of the other options on this list, which might make prolonged use less comfortable. Ideal for serious home bakers, the Cuisinart offers excellent performance and flexibility. The pros include its wide range of speeds, smooth start feature, and comprehensive set of attachments, while the cons are its higher weight and a price point that's likely at the higher end of the spectrum. Coming in at number 2 is the Yomelo 9-speed digital hand mixer, priced at $32.78. This is a powerhouse with a 400-watt DC motor, providing exceptional torque and performance for even the toughest mixing tasks. Its 9 precise speed settings and soft start technology make it a joy to use, preventing splattering and ensuring even mixing every time. Whether you're whipping egg whites, creaming butter, or kneading dough, this mixer won't let you down. The digital screen and touch button controls give it a modern high-tech feel, and the lightweight design with a soft touch handle ensures comfort during use. The snap-on storage case keeps all the attachments organized, while the included beaters, dough hooks, and whisk offer great versatility. However, the slightly higher price and limited brand recognition might give some buyers pause. This mixer is perfect for avid bakers who need a versatile, high-performance tool. The pros include its powerful motor, advanced speed controls, and sleek design, while the cons are its higher price point and the fact that it may be overkill for occasional bakers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer with easy clean beaters, priced at $32.99. This is the ultimate all-rounder, combining power, versatility, and ease of use. With a 275-watt motor, 6 speed settings, and a quick burst button, it's capable of handling everything from light whipping to heavy dough mixing with ease. The easy clean beaters are a standout feature, designed to reduce clogging and make cleanup faster and more efficient. This mixer also comes with 7 attachments, including 2 easy clean beaters, 2 traditional beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a whisk, all of which are dishwasher safe. The snap-on storage case keeps everything neatly organized, and the blue finish gives it a stylish, modern look. It's slightly heavier than some of the other options, but the added power and features make it worth it. This mixer is ideal for anyone who wants a premium product without going over budget. The pros include its excellent performance, versatile attachments, and thoughtful design features, while the only real con is its slightly higher weight. If you're looking for the best mix of value, power, and features, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.